You know how stablecoins are supposed to be that safe haven in the crypto world? The one asset you can count on to stay at a steady value, usually pegged to a currency like the US dollar. But that stability isn't magic. It relies entirely on what's backing it. And that brings us to Uphold. A lot of you have been asking about their stablecoin policy, especially with all the recent talk about reserves and transparency in the wider market. It's a critical question. The security of your funds depends on it. Uphold's approach is built on a foundation of radical transparency. They've been pioneers in this area since 2014. What they do is publish their assets and liabilities every 30 seconds. This is their reserve ledger and reserve chain technology, and it's all independently audited. The idea is simple. You can go to their transparency page at any time and confirm that their reserve holdings are more than their customer obligations. For stablecoins, this means they maintain a reserve that's greater than 100% of the stablecoins they hold for their users. They make a point of saying they never lend out customer assets. The funds are always available for withdrawal. That's a key difference from some other platforms. Their model is designed to be fully reserved and transparent. This isn't just about stablecoins, it's their philosophy for all assets they hold. So, when you are using stablecoins on Uphold, you're not just taking their word for it. You can see the numbers for yourself. They're a registered money services business in the United States and an electronic money issuer agent in the UK, which means they are subject to regular audits and compliance standards. This layered approach of public transparency, independent audits, and regulatory oversight is how Uphold addresses the central question of stablecoin collateral. They're not just claiming to be stable, they're providing a way for users to verify it themselves.